In an institute, 60% of students are boys and rest are girls. Further, 15% of boys and 7.5% of girls are getting a fee waiver. उनसे फी नहीं ली जा रही है 15% of boys से और 7.5% of girls से. If the number of those who are getting a fee waiver is 90, find the total number of students who are getting 50% concession. If it is known that 50% of those who are not getting a fee waiver are getting the concession. Very simple. देखो boys है और girls है, right? 60 boys है तो 40 girls है, ऐसे बताया गया है. 15% of the boys तो fee waiver. Who is getting the fee waiver? 15% of the boys. So 15% of 60 is 9. And 7.5% of girls are getting fee waiver. So 7.5 of 40 is how much? It will be 7.5 into 4. So that should be 3. So 3 girls are getting. So how do I calculate the 7.5%? So I will say 7.5 upon 100 of 40. Correct? तो ये 75 है, इसको नीचे 10 कर देता हूँ मैं. ये 3 है, ये 4 है, ये 4 यहाँ से गया और ये 10 इधर आया. तो this 10 and this 10 got cancelled, so 3 is the answer. I did that mentally in my mind, but this is how you actually calculate. Okay. So total fee waiver कितने को मिला है? 12 out of 100. 100 got fee waiver. So concession जिसको fee waiver नहीं मिला वो quantity क्या है? No fee waiver. 88 because the balance will get no fee waiver. अब जिसको फी वेवर नहीं मिला है उसका 50% गॉट कंसेशन इन द फीस, तो 44 को कंसेशन मिला होगा. अब ये जो 12 की वैल्यू है जिसको फी वेवर मिला है वो 90 दिया गया है और मेरे को 44 की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए पूछी है. तो हाउ डू आई कैलकुलेट? नाउ दिस 12 इफ आई डिवाइड बाय 6 तो 2 की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? 15. 4 की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? 30. मेरे को 44 की वैल्यू पूछी है तो मैं इसको 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा. तो 44 is 330, which means 44 जो फिगर है, जो 50% of the people who did not get fee waiver got 50% concession are 44. So 44 will correspond to 330. मतलब 330 students got 50% concession in their fees. Clear? So dear students, please connect with me on my WhatsApp channel. If you have any doubts, I'll be happy to solve them, or keep me motivated by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.